Hello, welcome back to Half-Ass Garage. We got Blackall and Charlie here, starting to rip apart the nose. They already got into it while he went inside and got the phone. So, yeah, we're going to rip this nose off. You've already seen it. Throw it on time-lapse, give you guys a nice track to listen to from Speechless. Check them out, link in the description. And, yeah, see you when we do some other nonsense. I don't know. See you soon. Right, so we're making some progress here. Got us a tuned ECU from Newspeed. It says it on the top thing, there's a sticker. And it doesn't run right, so probably the MAF was disconnected, and now I connected it, it ran much worse, so. But, yeah, they get the nose off. We're about to take this radiator support off, then we're going to jack it up a bitch. Take the bolts off the back. Disconnect a couple, three doodads here, knickknacks, and we'll be good to go. Drain the coolant and oil, too. Thank you, gentlemen.
Yeah.
Alright, YouTube, welcome back. So, as you saw in the laps, we got some nonsense off the front. I gotta finish getting the wiring harness out of there so I can flip it onto the motor. We have to disconnect some fuel and vacuum lines. Look at what someone did. Yeah, planet friendly, sure. But yeah, all right. Keep at it. See you soon.
Gentlemen,
Yes.
what's going on?
Almost done with the last few gradient bolts. Just gonna get the ones underneath.
They like to be called toaster oven bolts.
That wasn't even that funny. That was weak. That was weak. Yeah, that didn't even crack that free.
That didn't what?
Yeah. Maybe
Yeah,
I
that
fucking.
Yeah. Where's the black bar?
I just
Remember?
had it. Right here, in front of me now.
Bada bing, bada boom, guy, huh? Crack a loose. You got all the ones on the bottom?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay.
All the way up on the side. We just got whatever's on the bottom.
Beautiful.
You want a little chode on there?
I was just gonna walk through.
Getting high over there?
Alright, another update. Turbo's off. We're taking off the shield so we can take the starter out, do the flywheel bolts, and then there's a couple bolts on the bottom, and we're going to pull the motor. We're going to pull the motor?
Yeah.
This bitch is coming out?
Yeah.
We're going to unbolt the other one and drop it on the ground, right?
Yeah. Fuck it.
A million fucking pieces.
Unbolt it.
Unbolt, let it
Yeah.
fall. Fuck it.
Yeah.
But yeah, this thing's going to definitely need an overhaul, that's for sure. Is that the understatement of the year?
Yeah, definitely. Some piece of shit.
Well, I'll make it better. Another update for you. We're at what? About beer 30 in the morning. And we're taking coil packs off to take spark plugs out so we can, one, test the compression, two, turn the motor so that we can take the flywheel bolts out because the starter is now out. We've got obviously the turbo and stuff off, AC compressors off on the floor there, 'cause I ain't need that. We've already got a bunch of bolts up the top here. So now it looks like we're going to do flywheel, like I said, once we get these suckers out. And then move on to the last couple bolts on the bottom. We're going to take this bitch out. We'll let you know when beer 30 in the morning turns into the 2 beer 30 in the morning. Alright. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Conversation got boring. Lift that bitch up. Think we forgot anything?
Hopefully not. Find out.
Find out right quick. By the way, it's 4 o'clock in the morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, there it is.
I think we're loose.
Good job.
Alright, motor number 2. Yes! This is what I need, this is what I love. So good. Oh my god.
Yeah, 2 dropping shit.
Nah, just do the fucking. It's your torque converter. Well, mine. The. But yeah. Bada bing, bada boom, bud. Number 2. It's like we did this already. It's like I've had a pee for half an hour. And I just really wanted to get this done. Ladies and gentlemen, AEB for the WIN. Alright. Whoever watches this, I feel like this is our dying diary here. Last diary. Oh, it's what? Where's your phone?
4:30.
4:30 in the morning? Yeah. Oil pan's off. It is an AEB, obviously, because it says it. And it actually is. Oil pumps where I need it. I gotta buy parts. I need to get more money than buy parts. But, yeah. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ta-da!
Kid's already sleeping.
Thank you, everyone. I appreciate Cooperation today. Appreciate his Coopation. We just literally went to town. The last video was actually the same night, but like hours before. We got the car back and it took us 6 hours or so to get the motor out and tear down the front end. So, thank you. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Check us out on YouTube. What is that other thing called? Instagram. half.ass.garage for some daily updates. Peace.